That was amazing. I feel really inspired to help the earth.
Just think what we could do if we all worked together.
Wait, we still have one final group to announce.
Alright, our final act today will be Miss Smeglin's class, reading poems they wrote for Earth Day.
There once was a soda can who dreamed of being a Pam. He sat on the lawn, sat there till dawn. Then he was picked up by a recycling man. There once was a carrot that grew in the garden with potatoes too. The carrot's only wish was to be on the dish, so it jumped into the beef stew.
There was once a tree named Bill.
That had a best friend named Phil.
He was scared of a tile,
Because it might start a fire.
but he was safe and sound on the hill.
There once was an apple that fell with a thump on the ground. There once was an apple so round that fell with a thump on the ground.
Then a bunch of seeds grew.
A beautiful tree so new. It's a life cycle that goes all around.